Hi all, welcome to my channel and this is Danya. Here I am going to give you some simple tips for a healthy lifestyle. As we are going through a lockdown period and I was working from home, sitting for a long time and I almost ended up in a bad lifestyle. So I decided to bring healthy habits which I can easily follow in my day-to-day life. Here are the 10 easy tips which everyone can follow, and if followed on a regular basis, believe me guys, it can create wonder for your health, metabolism and skin as well. So let's see the simple tips. Drink water. Drinking water can help you to flush out your toxins and it can easily help you to boost your metabolism. Make sure that you drink 10 glasses of water a day. What I am following is I drink 2 glasses of water on empty stomach and will drink next 8 glasses of water on the rest of the day. One can drink a glass of water half an hour before main meals, which can help you to control your portion of food as well as it will help us in boosting metabolism. Step number 2, walk. Walking for at least 30 minutes a day can make your overall health much better. As I was working from home, I was sitting for a long time and I was not able to walk in the morning or evening. So what I did is I set an alarm for 1.5 hours. Like for each 1.5 hour throughout the day, I set an alarm and I used to make that period like that time for 5 or 10 minutes of walk. So that I make sure that I am walking like more than 30 minutes or at least 30 minutes a day. Tip number 3, avoid aerated drinks and sugar. Aerated drinks available in the Indian market are containing lots of sugar. They are just empty calories with no health benefits in it. Having those kind of drinks can lead us to type 2 diabetes and other health problems. Avoiding this can give you better sleep as well. Avoiding sugar also gives you a lot of health benefits and it is weight loss. It is very good for our skin. Number 4. Sleep for at least 7 hours. Sleeping and taking rest is as important as having healthy food and exercise. Sleeping can help in reducing heart problems and it can help in weight loss and it can help in increasing metabolic rate. Lack of sleep can create hormonal imbalance as well as many other digestive issues. So make sure that you're sleeping for 7 hours at least. There are so many apps available now for tracking sleep. You can try one of them. Number 5. Avoid packaged food or processed food. Those kind of food are packed with harmful preservatives. They are loaded with these harmful preservatives for increasing shelf life. They contain unhealthy sugar level, excessive sodium and salt. And I was having lot of packaged food last month. What I felt is we are eating these foods just for satisfying our cravings or avoiding our boredom. It contains unhealthy ingredients which is contributing nothing for our health. So if you can replace this food with raw foods like eggs, fruits or nuts, it can really make a big difference. Tip number 6. Don't skip breakfast. Breakfast kickstart metabolism and it gives us energy throughout the day for getting things done. Study shows that eating breakfast in time help you for reducing bad cholesterol levels as well as it can help in weight loss. I try to include some steamed food like idli as my morning meal. I completely avoid having oily food at morning, which is the first meal of the day. Tip number 7. Have food on time. Having food on time can help you reduce so many health issues. Having meals on a regular basis every day can help you avoiding bloating and indigestion. Try to finish your breakfast before 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Make sure that you are including some source of protein in your breakfast. Eat something between every 3 to 4 hours. The ideal time for lunch is 12:45 p.m. So try to finish your lunch before 2 p.m. and eat your lunch with some source of probiotics like yogurt and something. And finish your dinner by 7 p.m. And please try to maintain a habit like don't eat anything after your dinner, like after 7 or 7:30 p.m. don't eat anything. Tip number 8. Include fruits, vegetables and healthy fats. Make sure that you are eating fruits, vegetables and healthy fats on a daily basis. One can include this in your snacking time as well. What I am doing is I will add sufficient vegetables to my lunch and I will eat a fruit as a morning snack and nuts as evening snack. So it is helping me to avoid eating oily foods or unwanted sweets. Tip number 9. Plan and pack your meals. Pre-plan your meals so you can go for healthy meals. Idea of having meal plans for a week saves our time. It gives us a chance to avoid unwanted food. If you are going outside for work or some other thing, just pack your meals and take it along. By that you can avoid having food from outside. Always carry some fruits or nuts in your bag for snacking so that you won't end up eating something from outside. Number 8. De-stress and smile. Stress can seriously damage your health system. So every day try to find at least 15 minutes for doing the things you like. It totally depends upon what makes you happy or relaxed. It's a kind of self-pampering or de-stress. Then smile big. It can make you feel positive and energetic.